Wow, look at this soup. So comforting and perfect for any day. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making easy homemade bean soup, fresh from my garden with simple healthy ingredients. Let's cook together. Just look at them. They are so fresh and they are going to make my soup so fresh, healthy and full of flavor. I'm going to boil them until soft and tender. And so for the recipe, I'm using simple everyday vegetable to add flavor and color. Now at this point, I'm going to cook my vegetables gently and add the beans and allow everything to simmer together. And the homemade bean soup is ready. Healthy, comforting, and perfect for any day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. Stay healthy.